With you guys, I'm going to show you on how to make a Maja Blanca with pumpkins. So here's our product. Everyone, here we are for my kitchen for making this squash Maja Blanca, or we can see pumpkins Maja Blanca. Our ingredients are, of course, we need cornstarch, which is amidon here in Romania. Okay? And syempre, pag walang squash or pumpkins, hindi siya matatawag na Maja Blanca with pumpkins kasi wala eh. So, kailangan natin ng squash or pumpkins. Ayan guys. And next ingredients, of course, we need arachidi, means peanut. You know, important yan guys. At saka raisin. So, yun na ha. Lagay natin doon. At saka, we need also coconut milk. Coconut milk in can. Kasi wala kaming kaguran. Wala ditong guys. Mayroon naman yung buong coconut. Pero wala kaming higurin. At saka, sweet corn. Of course, we need sweet corn. And I prepare also sugar, which is zahar. And of course, guys, I still have here a condensed milk. You know, yung natira kong condensed milk, guys, tapusin muna natin bago gagamit ng bago. Okay? And I have here also 3 eggs. Important yan. Pwede rin 2 eggs. Depende sa inyo. At ready na rin yung ating fresh milk. Kailangan din natin ng oil. Kasi yung oil, i-drace natin doon sa ating pan. Okay? Ito yung lagayan natin, guys. Yan. So, ang una natin gagawin, guys, or the first thing we're going to do, that translate to English and Tagalog tayo. Of course, we need to mix this everything. And, of course, guys, ang pumpkins, i-boil natin, diba? We have to cut these pumpkins. Maybe we're gonna use only jumatate, means half of this one. And then we're gonna boil. Then after boiling, guys, we mash the pumpkins. Okay? And now, let's go. And I prepare everything, okay? And also these nuts, we need to grind or we need to tuk. Para mag-ano siya into small pieces na. So, now, let's prepare, guys! So, ito na, guys, yung ating pumpkins. Ready to put in the oven to boil. So, ayan na. So, antayin natin mag-soft. Ito na yung ating pumpkins. So, soft na siya, no? Ready na to, i-mash na natin in mash. So, ito yung gagamitin natin pag mash. So, kailangan mash ng ayusin mo pag mash yan, ha? So guys, ko dito yung ating peanut, no? Para siya yung alam niyo na. Yan ang ating ito na yung ating peanut. So, ang isusunod natin ngayon, guys, is yung eggs ilalagay natin dito, okay? Already inside, guys. So, we have to blend the eggs, okay? And we have to put a little bit of sugar because we used condensed milk after. Sugar. Important sugar. Estimated. Okay na siya. Simple lang. So ito, ilalagay na natin to guys. Okay? Ayan na yung ating
pumpkin.
Yeah. So that is gonna be... It depends upon if you want to put a kuma, but I want to grind more, you know. Then after that, you can put milk. Umpik, you know. Just milk umpik. It's a little bit hot, the pumpkins. After only we can put jumatate first. So now I'm gonna put milk while you're blending.
Blending.
Okay. So, ilalagay ko na yung aking amidon, which is cornstarch. Kasi, ito siya guys. Ano siya yung magbuol-buol, kumbaga love. This, it's gonna be sticky.
Yeah.
So, if you put in the fire directly. So, that's why I need to mix this here, you know. So, I'm gonna put 250. I think I'm gonna put only mga 175 like that. You know, half of this one. Tama ba? 175. So, estimated tayo. And, okay. We have to blend more. Blend more. So, lagyan natin ng condensed milk, pampalasa. Wow, ang ganda ng kulay, guys. Hindi ko tubusin kasi ano ko ng Nescafe.
Oh no! You keep for Nescafe.
Bumaka ng Nescafe. Sorry. Okay na yan. So, itong coconut natin, diretso na natin doon. Yes, iubos na natin to. Kasi, buo.
It's hard.
Buo.
It's solid.
Solid. Hindi naman dito lang sa ano. So, unahin natin to kasi ano siya. Iubos na natin kasi
That is
naman. Coconut milk. This is the important things when you make maha. Yeah. So, kailangan siya lutuin muna kasi tingnan mo buo-buo siya, my love. This part is sticky. So, we have to boil this first. This mixture, this is our mixture now. We're gonna mix here. We're gonna put together. Wow, ang dami. Grabe.
The milk.
Oh, my love. Ang dami. Yan na. So, lagyan natin ng vanilla. So, slowly like that, okay? So, lagyan natin ng corn, guys. Diba? Mga ilang sandok kasi. Kunti lang, my love, no? Can put more, no problem.
Yeah.
This one for pizza.
Okay, yeah.
Yes, for pizza. And the fire, I put the fire slowly. So, konting kimbot na lang ating maha ay mabubuo na. Sure now, ilagay na natin dito. Okay. So you need to do like this.
So that it's
that
flatter.
Flattened. Imagine how I estimate, oh, one of the
Full.
full of this one.
Man, oh man. No,
So
that's
you
a
just do
lot.
like that, okay? Look at this.
Super.
So now we put this one.
Grinded peanuts.
Peanuts. Okay na. So this one we can leave some.
Yeah.
So yun na ang ating Maha, squash Maha or pumpkins Maha Blanca. Yan.
Yes.
Diba? So we have to put in the
Fridge.
fridge. Mga 10 to 20 minutes. Okay? Wow, how looking nice. Ooh, cheap from us. Ayan na po ang ating Maha Blanca. Wait, Maha Blanca with pumpkins. So, let's try to got it. Ang squash Maha natin. So, ayan na siya. At, having ano siya, walang, it's not having a strength.
No. Ah, that one. Oh, nice.
Na ano din
It's
siya.
nice to slice.
Wow.
Wow.
Maha.
Look at that.
Squash Maha.
Oh, nice. It's looking.
Ayan na.
Let's see. Oh, very tasty.
Yummy.
Super. Super. Foarte bună.
Pumpkins Maha. Super. Diba? Napakasarap. Yum, 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 yum. Napakasarap ng ating squash Maha. Or pumpkins Maha. Super. Try nyo guys. Super sarap. So, try to make this too. I'm sure you like it. It's yummy. Yummy, yum, 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 yum. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Di ba, my love? It's yummy? It's yummy? This is the favorite of my darling. He asked me to make this. If I could not make and he needs it, my darling, sweetie, can you make Maha for me? So I did. Here is it for him. And that's all guys for our video. I hope you like it. And just try to make this too. so that you can taste also. So that you can taste also and you can eat it. And of course, it's very yummy. So that's all. Bye bye. Keep safe, everyone. God bless us all. Babu.